Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter in a Mazda CX-3. Open the hood latch and secure the prop rod. Locate the airbox near the front left and remove its clips or screws. Use a clean rag to wipe dirt from around the box before opening. Handle the intake tube gently and inspect the filter for debris. Keep small parts in one place so reassembly is easy and fast. Begin by removing fasteners and lifting the airbox cover gently to expose the filter. Note how the old filter sits so you can match orientation later. Use a vacuum or rag to remove loose debris from the housing and check the intake duct for any buildup. Avoid pushing dirt further into the system while cleaning. Dispose of the old filter properly and prepare the new one for installation by aligning its edges. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make parts sorting and snack storage during maintenance a breeze, and they keep spills off your mat. They're great for bolts, clips, and small hand tools while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Seat the new filter carefully, making sure its sealed edge matches the airbox flange exactly. Replace the cover and fasten clips or screws securely without over-tightening. Reconnect any hoses or sensors you moved and perform a final visual check for gaps or loose fittings. Start the engine briefly to confirm normal intake sound and ensure nothing rattles. Turn off the engine and recheck fasteners after a short test drive if possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.